Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create a product category in Odoo. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be doing because I will describe and do everything clearly so you can follow along. So the first thing that you will have to do once you're here on your Odoo account is you will go ahead and select inventory. So it should be right here, but if you do not have that option, then make sure to install that module first or your website as well. You could also do it on your website. And what you will do once you're here is you will click configuration and then you will look for product categories or tag categories. So it's actually uh, like that as well. So what you will do is click tag categories. And by the way, the what I would be doing right now is also the same for for product category. And then you will just have to do absolutely the same thing. So click new, and then here you will just have to enter your category name, and then after that you will just have to set your set optional fields like the parent category, the internal reference or costing method if needed, and then you will just have to click save, and then the category will now appear in your list. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And you could also assign products to this category. Basically, you will just have to open your product, and then you will basically just have to choose the category from the category drop down and then click save. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.